Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the clipboard error in Microsoft Excel. So it will state there was a problem with the clipboards and this all error will occur while you are trying to copy content from the spreadsheet. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First is we are going to close any instances of Microsoft Excel or any processes of Microsoft Excel on your Windows. So before we can do that is you need to make sure you have saved your document in the Microsoft Excel. And after saving, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type task mgr, which stands for Task Manager. Now simply click Task Manager under the best match, maximize this. In the search bar, you need to type Excel. And here you'll find Microsoft Excel processes. Simply make a right click and then you have to select the End Task option. And after you have clicked on the End Task option, that will completely close any Microsoft Excel instances or processes on your Windows. And after that, you just need to open again Microsoft Excel and then try to see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method is we can also restart the Microsoft Excel, and then how we can do that. While you are on your Microsoft Excel and you encounter the error, make sure to save first and then you have to simply close the Microsoft Excel and then open it again. Now, in this simple way, you are restarting the Microsoft Excel. Now, why are you going to do this? Because in some cases, a simple restart can fix the issue, so you should try in that too. And for the next method is we can use the Open and Repair tool, which is a built-in tool here in the Microsoft Excel. So you will find this File tab at the top left corner. Click on that. You'll find this Open option. Click on that. Then you'll find this Browse option. Click on your spreadsheet or your document. Click on this drop-down arrow next to Open. You'll find Open and Repair option. Click on that. And this small window will appear. And then you have to wait for the repair option to appear too. So now when the repair option will appear, then you just have to simply click on that. So in my Windows, it takes a bit for this Microsoft Excel window repair tool to load. So in your case, it will not take that a bit or much time. Just simply click on this repair button and you have to wait for the process to be done. And for the next method is we can also disable the add-ins on the Microsoft Excel, because sometimes add-ins can cause the issue, so you just have to disable the Excel add-ins. So click on the File tab again at the top left corner, then you have to select More. Click on Options. Then here you'll find add-ins. Now simply click on drop-down arrow next to Manage. You'll find Excel add-ins, which is the very first option there. Click on Go. Then you'll find this add-ins from here. So you just need to simply uncheck any of these boxes or uncheck all of these boxes and you have to click on OK. And you have just disabled the Excel add-ins. Then for the next method is we can also disable the clipboard history of our Windows. So we are just going to use the shortcut. Press the Windows key and the V key together. And simply click this Clear All. And after you have cleared the clipboard history, just open again your spreadsheet in the Microsoft Excel and try to see if the problem has been fixed. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.